Di po ako maka-join, sabi ni Beatrice. Sabi naman ni Venus, okay na po, salamat. Kasi yung online class, yung meeting ID and passcode sa online class ni Team is not working. Sabi ni Michelle Pasugino, di po kami maka-join. Kahit po yung sa mismong link. Hindi din. Ano ba yan?
I never said I was perfect. See, I never claimed to be. Cause perfect is perception. Perception is all that they can see. A vacancy replacing these space and place where my heart should be. Harping on these emotions, self-loathing, broken. What's wrong with me? A song to me is more than just some bullshit and words. It's the only time some nobody like me will be heard. I was that kid that would get picked last. Never the one that would skip class. Never the pump when the piff pass. So me and a rap is a mismatch, right? You stereotype, I've been feeling uptight. I've been wanting to fight. I've been up every night as I write and I write. I've been looking for light in the darkest of night. It's a bit of a bite. Dream, that's what they told me. If I listen to your dumb ass, I'd regret it as the old me.
Friday, we had McDonald's because we have online class today. Hindi ako nakaluto. Everyone is trying to get in, but the teacher will fix it. She said, hang on. She's trying to fix the link. So we had McDonald's for lunch. 1 o'clock na kasi. May online class ulit sila ngayong afternoon, 1 o'clock. Click yung may nakasulat HTTPS. Sabi ni Princess, cellphone gamitin nyo. Nakapasok kami. So they said to use the cell phone, not the laptop. The teacher said use the laptop. I mean the cell phone, not the laptop.
can shop t-shirt is you look extra fine. Original price ng 350. Kayo sa pin shop. Ito naman yung binili natin sa Save More, City Mall. Grocery. We have bacon. This is, what kind of bacon is this? Pure Foods Classic honey cured bacon. We have, ano ba ito? Tripe, beef tripe. And then we have butter. Butterlicious. We have, ano ba to? Jumbo cheese dog. Pure Foods. And we have ground beef 1 kilo 1.86. And then we have the beef shank pang bulalo beef shank. It's 0.49 kilo. It's 472. Yan. Yan yung laman ng box na may meat. Nagkadugo na. Nagkadugo na ang box. The other box is the grocery.